Okay, so I'm halfway through installing the new tie rod ends on my 2006 Nissan Titan. Just wanted to show you what worked for me. Here they are on the ground. I bought a new Moog. I'll put the part number in the description. It's got the Zerk so you can grease it. But if you look at the difference, I mean the stock piece is not great. That's 15 years old, so definitely time for a new one. And you can see the new one's just that much better. In fact, there you go, there's your part number on the right hand side. That's a 31 on the left hand side. I'll be doing both today. But basically what you have here is you have your tie rod for your steering, and this piece was attached on here like this. There's going to be a little cotter pin that goes through it. Take the cotter pin off, take the nut here most of the way off. I think that's a 22-inch nut, so spin it down until it's just right at the top of the tower there, but don't take it all the way off. Then you can take a hammer and strike it loose without screwing up your threads. Since we're replacing it, you know, you wouldn't have to. If you screwed up the threads, it's no big deal, but I kind of do that out of habit just so I don't ever forget and screw up some threads that I need. So you can see there's a bolt, there's a nut on here. The tie rod was screwed onto here, and the amount forward and back it goes is your toe on your truck or your car. So before you take this off, you want to measure distance from this nut to the boot, and also count the threads. And that way when you put the new one on, you can get it pretty dang close to where it was before you take it for an alignment. You don't want it pigeon-toed or something funky trying to go to the alignment shop. So I've written those numbers down, I've counted my threads. Taking this nut off is a real chore, especially if it's old. So I found that a little encouragement from the torch went a long ways. So now what you do, there's a little flat spot here. You can get a grip on there with a wrench or with some vice grips, and then get your wrench on that nut and break it loose with some heat. Once it's loose, then this piece has threads in it that you can see, maybe, and you just unscrew that off the end. So when I'm done with the video here, I'll screw this new one on there, try to get it, you know, like I say, about as far in as it was before, and give it a little grease, and then I won't drive this truck until it's aligned. You don't want to be doing changes like this and then driving to the grocery store or to your mom's or whatever. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Just a little tough to break that nut off, but get a torch and you'll be fine. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks so much.